I had a crazy idea this morning about how this is the kickstand of the little deal right here, but with the larger shocks and the height of the pipe and everything. The standard kickstand would not go down far enough to where the wheel, as like you can see right there, is cleared the ground so it can idle like this. So I decided, since my neighbor, and his name is Blade Edwards of Edwards Mechanical and Welding here in Walla Walla. First time I've been down to his shop. He's lived next to me like 3-4 years. He said, come on down. This kid's got a young man, early 20s, 4-year college degree, and works his ass off every day. And I brought this to his shop, and I wanted him to add some extensions onto the stock. This is the stock part where the kickstand hits the ground right there. So is this over here. And I thought, well, you know what? Maybe we put a piece of iron on the bottom, and maybe like one here and one here. And let me show you what this kid did. He not only put on this extra piece, but he bent the piece on this side like butter, and then he put it on. And the deal is that the quality of the welds all through here and the positioning and the quality of the other side, this is custom work. This is what I would say, and I'm really impressed, is that this young man is a craftsman. You can have many welders out there that do a lot of work, okay? But if you want work done on your special little projects, you want someone that's going to take time and sign their name to their work. And he showed me this piece today. It's 110 degree heat. He welded this up for me. I looked at it, I was absolutely amazed. I've seen nuclear welders. A nuclear welder is one of the hardest tests a welder can pass, because they have to be able to weld pipe and weld anything and not have it crack, leak, or have any air. They just basically have to fuse metal. So anyway, this young man's name, because I'm old, is Blade Edwards, and his shop is Edward Mechanical and Welding on 9th Street. Really nice shop. Plenty of parking. I guess he does stainless aluminum steel and custom and production fabrication. That would be this work. Look at that. Now this is the kind of guy you want to find to have you help you with your little projects. Not some run and gun, splash and dash, weld and run guy. He did a brilliant, absolutely, look at that. Just a brilliant job to extend this. So, thank you very much, Blade, from DIOSpeedDEMON. And I tell you what, when I saw this, I gave him the ultimate compliment. I told him that even no one rides my bike except me. When I get this fixed, I'm going to let him ride it because of his work. So anyway, thank you, Blade Edwards and Edwards Mechanical and Welding here in Walla Walla. If you need some work done, you want quality work like this, it's no bullshit. Take your stuff there. Anyway, thank you.